Hi, Lynn here with Create Whimsy, and today I'm going to show you how to do a heavy chain stitch embroidery. You want to come up at the end of your line that you're stitching, and just make a very small stitch. It's like a 1/16 of an inch. And then you want to bring your needle up your stitch length away. Then loop back through that first stitch, come back to where you were, and take another stitch. Now, because it's a heavy chain stitch, we're going to go back through that first loop again. So basically all the stitches are going to be stitched twice. And then we're going to go back to here, to where we just came out, and make a small stitch. And now we'll go back to the first stitch we made and come back to here. It's better worked in smaller stitches, and I really like it with variegated thread like I'm doing now. Go back 1, 2, so we'll go back to here. Make a small stitch. Back 2, make a small stitch, and I like using this as an outline stitch. It's really beautiful on monograms because it's so nice and thick and heavy, especially if you've got a monogram that doesn't have a lot of curves, like A's and T's and H's. This works really perfectly for. Go back through 2. It can also be used as a filler stitch if you do them side by side. And it does curve fairly well, but not tight curves. And then when you get to the end of the line, you go back through the last 2 stitches and take your needle down where you started. Oh, I forgot to mention, I did draw my line on as my guide with a friction pen, and it's like this, a friction pen. I like it because it's just a little shot of steam. The line disappears. Now, always test it on a piece of fabric first, just to make sure. Now that I've come to the end, now I just turn it to the back side and tie a knot. I like to tie a knot. See how I've made a loop, and then do a knot, go through that loop again. And that makes a really nice, sturdy knot. Trim your threads. I'm going to go press it really quick and show you the finished results. And here's our finished heavy chain stitch. And isn't it pretty the way the variegated threads work on this?